Hi everybody, it's me Brandy with Be Vintage Design and Decor. Whoops, there's my pillow. So I did a new little setup here in my basement so that I could film a little bit more, I guess, a better for you guys when I do things like this. So this is my very first time ordering the Thread Up Designer Handbags. They're $100 for the box, and the description is it's just rescued name brand handbags. And so we're gonna look together. I have not, all I did was break the seal on the box. I have not broken the seal on the paper yet. And I have one other bag that I'm going to show you too that I thrifted recently. Everything, well, I think everything, depends what's in here. Everything that that you see here will be for sale. And unless I say it's not for whatever reason, if it's junky or something like that, I wouldn't sell it to you guys. But if you're interested in anything, you can email me at bvintage74@gmail.com. And I will reply to your email. Tell me what item that you liked. If there's several Coach bags, just give me a timestamp or a picture, like a snapshot of the screen of the item that you're interested in, and then that way I know what to pull for you. So yeah, I'll put the prices on the screen rather than tell you what they are. I do reuse these in my shipping of items. All right. So right off the bat here, got a Tory Burch bag. And there's some wear on it, but it's minimal, like on the actual like screws and things like that. There's a little bit of wear. I locked the pups out, can you tell? You know what? This is actually right here. It's I should move the camera a little closer. Hold on one second. Okay, so I got the camera a little bit closer so that I can show you the bags a little bit closer. So right here, see how that's not attached to that? They actually just have it kind of hanging there. So honestly, like this one would probably be one that you would either want to replace the strap on or use it as a clutch. It does have, yeah, it does have some wear inside the liner, and then it just has this small pocket here. I don't know about this one. And then on the back here, it does have like where the magnet is, the magnetic closure, like the magnet wear. So I'm not sure about that one. If you're interested in that, email me. I would probably honestly let that one go for like super cheap, just because it has a little more wear than what I would prefer to sell it for. Bremen. A Bremen handcrafted fine Italian leather Melbourne collection. Yeah, it's this like croc. I don't know if it's real croc skin. I mean, it feels like it is. And it says leather, so maybe it is, but I'm not sure. I have to probably Google this one to find out. There is like pen marks and things like that on the liner. It's not bad. I always clean these up anyways. I don't think that's something, the pen, I'm not sure if I can get out. It's nice though. It's got like little places to put a pen. It's got 2 slip pockets, a zipper pocket, and then the key fob holder. Sorry, now I'm not holding it up tall enough because I moved the camera closer. And then it's got this like snap closure onto the belt buckle onto the front. And then it's got the hang tag here too. So, okay, let's see. They're not wowing me with these. I'm not sure, guys. All right, so this one This one is a fry bag. And actually the inside on this one is not bad at all. Let me just see if, let's make sure all the zippers and everything work. Yeah, okay. So there is, and it's got this fold over. Here is the fry tag. It's this nice, really soft leather, brown leather. It's got the shoulder strap with a reinforced shoulder, a zipper closure. The inside is nice and clean. I don't see any pen marks or anything. There's 2 slip pockets and a zippered pocket. There is some minimal, you know, like spotting, staining up here, just from like when your hand goes in your bag or your wallet goes in your bag, but it's not bad at all. The back logo is there. Just need to snip off a little bit of these little stitches that are going. The stitches, there's no stitches actually on that. It's actually like a little bit of the leather because it's riveted on, but everything is in good condition. And the shoulder strap's in good condition. Oh, and then the front pocket, I love a front pocket, right? Because you can put your cell phone in there. There is the key hook in there. And then the inside of this one obviously has a little bit more wear because somebody probably used this pocket a lot. It's a nice big pocket. I don't see any pen marks per se, but you know, I wish the lighting was a little better, sorry. The inside is just a little bit dirtier, but it's not bad at all. It really just needs a nice drink of some leather conditioner. There we go. To bring it back to life. So that's not bad. I like that one. That's pretty. 2 more. Well, 2 more and then the one that I picked up. Okay. Who are you? You are a Michael Kors. And this one is, it's leather. Let's see if I can puff it up so you can, there we go. It's a nice leather handbag. And these are probably just like this because they need a little conditioning, and from being in the box there, they'll lay flat eventually with some wear. There's the Michael Kors on the side. This one's a very nice bag. This leather is in great condition. Somebody took good care of this bag. It's a dark kind of chocolate color. Now the inside, 2 slip pockets and 1 large zipper pocket. The inside is like this cream colored linen, but you see the little spot there. But other than that, it just needs a nice kind of like vacuum out. And it does have that 1 spot. I'll see if I can get that out, but I can't make any guarantees on that. But it's at the bottom, so that's not a big deal at all. But this bag is in really great shape. Really great shape. Love the color. I think once you get a little moisturizer on it, leather moisturizer, it'll really pop. I was hoping for some summer colors. That's okay. They're rescued bags, right? This is a nice Tory Burch. She may be a catch and release. The inside, it's beautiful leather. Oh my gosh. Okay, so enough of me yammering about it. It's this really, really pretty cocoa brown color. It's got the feet on the bottom, which, you know, so did the Michael Kors. Great condition, very nice, like aged leather. It's got a scratch in the leather right here, but that can be conditioned out over time. Once you condition it once, it'll fade. It actually just adds to the character of the bag though. And if you keep conditioning your bags, they'll fade away. And then it's got this beautiful gold hardware. And then on the inside, it has this attached mirror, which is great for when you put lipstick on for under your mask. And then, let's see, it's got a very nice large zipper pocket and 2 slip pockets. Now the inside of this one also, is that like cream color linen type, or this is more of like a cotton material, but there is staining on it. Almost like, not pen, well there's a one pen mark, but almost like somebody put some liquid in here and you know, it's something liquid in there and it leaked. So it darkened the, let me see if I can pull it out. No, it's attached. It darkened, there we go. Darkened the liner a little bit. See right there? Just a little bit darkened. But other than that, I mean, who cares? Once all your junk's in there, you really won't see that at all. Let's make sure the zipper works great. Look at that. That's really pretty. So if nobody ends up getting this one, it may be one that is a catch and release, because I like this. All right, so enough of that bag. Now on to, and I decided too that I'm gonna do a vintage Coach sale. I'm going to be thinning out my closet and parting with some of my vintage Coach bags. But this was not one of them. This one I actually thrifted at my local thrift store for $20. I will put the price on the screen of what I'm asking for it. But this is an adorable baguette, Coach baguette. It's that microfiber material. It's in gorgeous condition. I mean, look at that. It's like somebody didn't even use it condition. It's got the beautiful, there's the strap. It's got the beautiful blue stitching around the zipper pull and everything. It's got the Coach hang tag and a little tassel. And then the inside, I mean, like, it's beautiful. I mean, like, they even stuffed it with the tissue. Not at the thrift store. I'm sure the person that had it. The creed is right there. And then it's got this really pretty teal. I just put my makeup on. There we go. This pretty teal liner. And the liner inside, I mean, it's meticulously beautiful inside. It's in great shape. And it has one zipper pocket. One zipper pocket. I have not even cleaned this out yet because I just got it the other day. But it really very minimal, you know, just, I always take a vacuum to the inside just to get any dust or anything that might be in there from somebody else using it. So this one just needs it's in beautiful shape. It doesn't really need anything. Oh, and it's got an outside pocket. So one interior zipper pocket and a small exterior pocket. And this does not snap or anything. It's just decoration. So I will put the price on the screen for this one. But like I said, I thrifted this one for $20 at our local thrift store. Oh, and it comes with the dust bag. So that way, I mean, you could tell this person, if they donated it and they donated it with the dust bag and everything, they took really good care of this bag, or they just didn't even wear it. Oh, and you know what else is in here too? The actual care guide and care instructions and everything on the bag. Not that that matters, but some people like that, especially if you're gonna resell it or whatever. It's great to have all that extra stuff with it. So, yep. So let me just flip through here one more time, show you what we got. So we had the leather Tory Burch, the brown leather Michael Kors bag, pretty. The Fry bag, which is more like a small messenger style bag, I guess. And then I apologize if like everybody else knows this brand, but Brahmin, I've never heard of it. The Brahmin bag. This would be cute actually for spring and summer. It's that nice color, that ivory bone color. And then I'm a little disappointed that they sent me this Tory Burch. It's an adorable purse. It really is. And if somebody doesn't mind or can fix that, you may even be able to send it in to them and have them fix that. Or even a place like Purse Rehab. the exterior on it isn't bad. It probably just needs a good clean and moisturize. And then it's just really the inside of it, that inner pocket. You know, it has a little lipstick mark, and you can't see it too well. And a little bit of spotting, like somebody got it wet or something. So the interior, let me see if I can show you that. Yeah, you see that? The interior is what's disappointing to me. And I know they're rescues, so it's not a big deal that that's what you got. But it's just sad because it's a cute little person. Somebody should have taken better care of it. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this different kind of video from me. Let me know in the comments if you've ever gotten one of these thread-up designer purse boxes. And if you have, if you like actually getting them, they are fun to go through, and you know, they're worth it, especially if you get some great designer bags at affordable prices. So, and if not, then we get the box at affordable prices and pass on the affordable prices to you. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.